Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change zodiac sign in Snapchat. All right, it's pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and go to your profile right here at the top left, tap on it. Once done, you're going to want to locate a particular zodiac sign right here below your profile or Bitmoji right here. As you can see, here's your birthday and here's your zodiac sign. Just go ahead and tap on your zodiac sign. As you can see here, there will be a welcome page here. Just hit on continue. Now in here, to be able to change your zodiac sign, you should change your birthday right here. All right. And as you can see here, add your birth information to reveal your astrological profile and astrological compatibility with friends. Now, to be able to do so, when we tap on our birthday right here, we won't be able to change it. All right. As you can see, go to settings to update your date of birth. And what we're going to do is just tap on this down arrow. All right. And tap on the gear icon right here at the top right. Tap on it. Now in here, as you can see, there's an option where you can tap on birthday. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now in here, you might want to change your birthday right here. For example, I would like to change it to April 25, which is the birthday of my sister, the year 2003. All right, I'm just going to hit on continue. And as you can see here, my date of birth is on March 25, 2003. I am 21 years old. Hit OK just to confirm. All right, and once done, go back to your profile right here. And as you can see, your zodiac sign has been changed. And that's basically how you change your zodiac sign in Snapchat. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.